My name is Faye. Today I'm making pita bread. I've been making this bread for many years, and usually we make it in a big amount, but today we reduce it. So we're going to start with that. We have 4 cups of flour, 1.5 cup of warm water. I have 1 cup for the dough and 1 for the yeast, 1 tablespoon yeast, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. I'm going to mix my yeast, my sugar, and half a cup of warm water in the bowl. Mix it all together. Now I'm going to put my flour, half of it. I'm going to add the salt. I'm going to add my cup of warm water. I'm going to drop my mixer and start mixing. So normally we do that by hand, but I have a new mixer and I want to show off, so I'm using my mixer. Now it's been 2 minutes. Mixing half of the flour and the water. I'm going to add the rest of the flour, which is 2 more cups. I don't need any more water, so I'm going to put my mixer down, start my mixer, and mix it for about 5 minutes. 5 minutes, so our bread dough is quite nice, but we're going to knead it by hand for another 5 minutes. I'm going to put it right on the counter here with a little bit of flour, just a touch. Shouldn't be sticky, it feels pretty good, but I'm going to knead it for another 5 minutes. Nice and strong. This is a good workout. Okay. The dough looks nice. I knead it for 5 minutes by hand and about 7 minutes in the mixer. I kneaded 2 minutes the first half, then 5 minutes the second half. I'm going to put it in a bowl. You could oil the bowl if you want to, but you don't have to. I'm going to cover it with saran wrap and let it set for 2 hours until it doubles size. I'm going to cover it with a kitchen towel and let it set right here. Now, okay, this is our dough. I had 4 cups of flour, 1.5 cup water, and the salt, 1 teaspoon sugar, and 1 tablespoon of yeast. And we let it set for 2 hours in a warm spot. Now I'm going to punch it down, get rid of this, knead it a little bit, just for another minute. And I'm going to cover it again and let it set for 10 more minutes. Okay, we have our bread dough. I'm going to transfer it into a cutting board, floured cutting board, and I'm going to divide it to 8 pieces, equal size. I'm going to take each piece, fold it in the palm of my hand, work it up like that. Put it on a kitchen towel. You could use the kitchen counter if you want to, but I prefer a kitchen towel. You could even use parchment paper. I'm going I have divided the dough and shape them into 8 balls. Put them on a floured surface. It doesn't matter. A kitchen towel is nice. I'm going to take each ball like this. Transfer it on about this thickness. I'm going to shape it like that, put it on my floured cloth, and when I'm finished, I'm going to cover them and wait for 20 minutes before I put them in the oven. Meantime, I'm going to turn the oven onto 450 degrees. Make sure there's nothing in there. All right, now, okay, we have rolled our bread dough. We have 8 pieces. Now this is like 1 step, 2 step, 3 step. That takes 4 steps. First we knead the dough, then we cut it into 8 pieces, then we shape it like that, and we wait between each step. Now I have my oven at its highest temperature. I'm going to use the bottom rack. I'm going to put 4 loaves, or as many as I can fit. I think maybe just 3 on this one. And it is on the highest temperature. I'm going to wait for 5 minutes. Then I'm going to transfer these loaves to the top shelf and put it on broil for 1 minute. I have 4 loaves on the bottom shelf, and look how they're nice poofing up. I'm going to transfer them to the top shelf. And their bottom is really nice and brown. I'm going to put 4 more loaves on the bottom. I'm going to push this down. And now I'm going to turn the temperature to broil for just maybe a minute or less. I'm going to be watching as long as so it just gives it a... Now it's been a minute. I'm going, oh my goodness, perfect. This one got too close to the fire, but these are perfectly done. This one needs to get just a little browner. So actually I timed when I put the 4 loaves on the bottom shelves. That was only 2.5 minutes. So you could check. It depends on your oven temperature. Sometimes it's hotter, sometimes it's cooler, but it should be on the highest temperature you could have on your oven. And now this is what we have. And the bottom ones are ready to go up on top. So I'm going to transfer them on the top shelf. Keep the broiler on. And like I said, one more minute so they have golden brown touch. And here you are, perfect pita bread. صحتين.